Our program on film music, Mixed Bag. This is the General Overseas Service of All India Radio. Please stand by for the news bulletin.
This is All India Radio. The news read by Preeti Tiwari. The headlines first. Prime Minister says the country's expected growth rate of 9 to 10% next year is vital for funding social development programs. Government clarifies that no decision has been taken on direct access codes for NRIs. Visa-free entry made easier to overseas citizens of India and persons of Indian origin. External Affairs Minister arrives in April on a three-day visit to Afghanistan to hold wider consultation on further strengthening bilateral relationship. Talks between world powers and Iran on its nuclear program to take place in Istanbul on January 21st and 22nd. The details. The Prime Minister says the country's economy will grow at the rate of 9 to 10% next year. Inaugurating the 9th edition of Pravasi Bharatiya Divas in New Delhi yesterday, Dr. Manmohan Singh said this growth is vital for funding social development programs in the country. He observed that it will generate more employment opportunities. Dr. Singh informed that adequate systemic changes have been brought for greater transparency in the governance process. Urging the Indian diaspora to invest in the untapped potential of northeastern region in India, the Prime Minister said all necessary requirements will be facilitated for the two-way growth. Dr. Singh also announced merging of the Overseas Citizen of India (OCI) and the Persons of Indian Origin (PIO) cards into a single facility to simplify visa-free entry and participation of Indian diaspora in business and other activities in India. Dr. Singh also said that the government had decided to extend the facility of the Indian Community Welfare Fund to all the Indian missions. Highlighting India's emergence on the world scenario, the Prime Minister said that all the 5 permanent members of the United Nations Security Council visited India last year.